What's the difference between water damage or a flood? I'm Shelli from Anderson and Associates, and if you have a couple minutes, I'll explain the differences to you. Flood is defined by rising water. It's generally going to come from outside, and generally it has to do with a storm in the area. Water damage would be anything that happens inside your house, such as pipe bursting, refrigerator, the ice maker line burst, a hose on your washing machine. But they are two separate coverages that you need to purchase. Most traditional homeowners do have water damage built in. However, if your home is older, you definitely want to ask your agent if you have that coverage, because sometimes it's excluded or it's limited. You want to know what you're covered for before it's too late. Flood is a separate policy that's mandated by the federal government. And the funny thing about flood is that it's one of the most paid out claims that there is. Most people say, well, there's never been a flood in my area. I've lived here for so many years and we've never had a flood here. But I often wonder how many of the people that went through Hurricane Sandy up on the Northeast a couple of years ago are saying, yeah, I really wish I would have had the flood insurance. But it had been over 100 years since the area flooded.